Please, Parrot. Please. Give that to me before you hurt yourself.
I don't care if it hurts.
When I leave this place, when I get out of this prison,
I wanna have
just know,
control.
even after all that you did,
I want a
I'm not gonna remember you as the player who did all these horrible things.
I want a perfect
When people ask me about who Weefies was, I'm gonna remember you as the Weefies that I used to know. The Weefies that cared about other people and was kind to
when I'm
everyone.
not around.
The Weefies that gave me the spyglass.
You're so very special. I wish I was special.